Did you know that 80% of people over 40 experience noticeable changes in their skin, hair, and joints? While that may sound alarming, there's a natural remedy that could make a significant difference: castor oil. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of castor oil and its remarkable significance for those of us in our 40s. This versatile oil isn't just a trendy ingredient. It's a powerhouse packed with benefits for both health and beauty, addressing some of the most common challenges we face during this decade. As we hit our 40s, many of us begin to notice the inevitable signs of aging. Skin may lose its elasticity and youthful glow. Hair can become thinner or grayer, and joint discomfort may become an unwelcome companion. These changes can affect not just our appearance, but also our confidence and overall well-being. The stress of balancing work, family, and personal life can exacerbate these issues, leaving many feeling overwhelmed. Skin aging can lead to wrinkles and fine lines, while hair thinning can make us feel less vibrant. Joint pain, whether from wear and tear or conditions like arthritis, can impede our ability to enjoy activities we once loved. It's clear that as we age, taking care of ourselves becomes even more crucial, and finding effective solutions is key to maintaining our vitality. Enter castor oil, a natural remedy that has been revered for centuries. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, this oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This makes it an excellent choice for alleviating joint discomfort. Regular application of castor oil can reduce inflammation, providing relief and improving mobility. When it comes to skincare, castor oil's emollient properties help to hydrate and nourish the skin. It's packed with fatty acids that can penetrate deeply, helping to restore moisture and promote a youthful appearance. Using it as part of your daily skincare routine can combat dryness, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and leave your skin feeling soft and supple. For hair care, castor oil can work wonders on thinning hair. It promotes blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth and strengthen existing strands. Many individuals in their 40s have found that massaging castor oil into their scalp not only helps with hair thickness, but also adds a beautiful shine to their locks. Castor oil is incredibly versatile. You can incorporate it into your routine in various ways, from using it as a moisturizer or hair treatment to adding it to your diet for overall health benefits. It can be taken internally in small amounts or used in cooking to support digestive health. Let me share an inspiring success story. Meet Sarah, a vibrant 42-year-old who struggled with thinning hair and dry skin. After hearing about the benefits of castor oil, she decided to give it a try. She began applying it to her scalp 3 times a week and using it as a nighttime moisturizer. Within a month, Sarah noticed a remarkable difference. Her hair was fuller, and her skin had a newfound radiance. She even received compliments from friends and family who were curious about her secret. Sarah's story is just one of many that illustrate how incorporating castor oil into a daily routine can lead to transformative results. In summary, castor oil is a miracle remedy for anyone in their 40s facing the challenges of aging skin, thinning hair, and joint discomfort. Its rich properties make it a powerful ally in promoting health and beauty, allowing you to reclaim your confidence and vitality. Have you tried castor oil? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more natural remedies to enhance your well-being, be sure to check out our next video. Let's explore the incredible world of holistic health together. As we wrap up, remember that embracing natural remedies like castor oil can truly empower you in your 40s. Whether you're addressing skin concerns, hair thinning, or joint pain, this versatile oil offers a holistic approach to self-care. Don't forget to share your own experiences with castor oil in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on health and beauty. And if you're eager to discover more about the amazing benefits of natural remedies, check out our next video. Together, let's take charge of our health and beauty one step at a time. Thanks for watching and take care.